Hey guys, welcome to the Affiliate Business Blueprint training where I'm going to share with you guys the exact 3-step blueprint that I followed that helped me go from zero to over $8,000 in pure profit as a complete beginner. All right, so give me a second. Now, my goal for you guys in this program or this free training is to introduce the affiliate marketing business model to you, explain exactly how it works, and how you can get started building this business while working your 9 to 5 jobs. Okay, super important. I'm going to also share with you guys the 6 secrets that I learned that prevented me from succeeding much earlier. Okay, so these are going to be golden nuggets that I learned in the last 6 years of trial and error. This way you can avoid them and get onto the right track immediately. Okay, I'm also going to teach you guys a strategy that helps you get started without having to worry about all the technical kind of buildings and things. Okay, so this strategy that I'm going to share with you doesn't require you to build a website or even have your own email autoresponder. Okay, and lastly, my 3-step blueprint that I used to make over $8,000 as a complete beginner. I'm going to share it with you guys so you can follow along and quickly implement it. Okay. So who am I and why should you guys listen to me? My name is Alwi Batarilan and I'm a family man. This is my wife. This is my Frenchie. I've been in the corporate world for the last 13 years, right? I've been in advertising and marketing, heading brands like Apple, Nestle, is Coca-Cola, and I still have my corporate day job till today. And I'm also a fitness junkie who does live classes for a spin studio. Now, I started my online business journey many years ago, as far as 6 years back, but I only recorded it as early as 2019. I tried this business model called dropshipping. I failed many times, but eventually I managed to get it right. And I started to see some small profits, but I decided to quit it because virtually it was impossible for me to create this business while working my 9 to 5 job. So I left that in 2019. In 2020, I discovered video reviews. I started doing that. This is the first ever video that I posted. I made about $28 doing this, but I just told myself it took way too much effort to make such a small amount. So I decided to quit. And then in 2021, I came back. This time, I focused on low ticket affiliate marketing. And I eventually started to make around $300 to $600 in about 6 months. It's not great, not ideal, but it's proof of concept that the business actually works. Okay. So honestly, at this point, I was about to give up because I put too much time building my business and I wasn't seeing the results. Okay. So I've not always been succeeding. I've always been struggling for many years. Okay. But in 2022, that's when everything changed. It is when I discovered high ticket affiliate marketing, which I'll explain more in depth towards later into the training. But just to share with you guys, I started as a complete beginner, zero experience. I did not have any friends. I did not have a single following, and I've never made a high ticket sale. Okay. That's why this training is going to be super valuable for you guys, because someone like me who came out of nowhere, who is a nobody, was able to eventually make over $8,000 with just one main product that I'm promoting, following the same exact strategy that I'm going to teach you guys. Okay, so just very quickly, I started around April, mid of April. Within 13 days, I made my first $1,000. By day 18, 2.3, and fast forward over $8,000. Okay, so I've been making high ticket sales consistently, following the same exact process that I'm going to teach you guys in the system. So, so that you guys know that this strategy definitely works. Okay, so what started to happen was a complete nobody started to make a lot of sales. So naturally, people keep on asking me this question, right? How did I do it? What's the strategy that I follow? Can I teach them? Okay, this is the same reason why I decided to create this free training, because I want to educate and help more people be able to do what I currently do. Okay, so what happened was, after a month in, people started asking me this question. I started to build a group of students that I currently coach and also help a ton of people, by answering any questions that they might have, right? But the biggest highlight for me is that one of my youngest students, a 19-year-old kid, followed my exact strategy, and within his first month, he was able to make almost $1,300, and by day 70, almost $3,000. Okay, so the reason why I use my youngest student is because it's a great example to show you that This 19-year-old kid is just a student. He never worked a job in his life, but he's able to make money online in the high ticket space following the same exact strategy. Okay. So that's fundamentally what I want to share with you guys in this introduction. Don't worry, I'm going to teach you guys the step by step. Okay. So I'll catch you guys in secret number 1.